Let's learn fruits name. Apple. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. Banana. This is banana. Coconut. Coconut. This is coconut. Mango. Mango. This is mango. Watermelon. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Strawberry. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Blueberry. Blueberry. This is blueberry. Pear. Pear. This is pear. Kiwi. Kiwi. This is kiwi.